I'm Jatin. I'm one of the co-founder of HR Network. We host engaging startup networking meetups in 25 global startup cities. We host a lot of interesting programs, and now with online, we are doing a lot of interesting video series. We have a spouse entrepreneurs series going on. There is another HR with pioneers series going on, and we are adding one more. It's called Business Roller Coaster. So, founder journey is a roller coaster ride. So, thought of that, inviting some of the friends to come and share how was their roller coaster ride of building a business. So, and as always, Nikita is our first guest. Typically, whenever we start a new series, she is among the first few guests. So, thank you so much, Nikita.
Thank you.
So, Nikita, think quick rapid fire because we want to finish in 10 minutes.
Sounds good.
So, what is Tatkal Lorry?
So the Lorry is a courier service for tile sanitary, and we plan to expand it in the building and construction, but like a courier service, that is any amount of or any quantity to be dispatched to across country.
And who are the people building Tatkal Lorry? What is the founding story?
So the people building Tatkal Lorry, the co-founding team is having experience of combined experiences 100 plus years in the ceramic tiles and real estate industry.
You started alone, or there are
So
other?
I have four co-founders along with me. Two of them belong from real estate. The primary idea was with me and my brother. Then we went ahead and figured out people who are from the industry, that is tile transportation industry, so that we could scale it as quickly as we have. And then we got few more partners to invest in us because we were pretty young when we started. We were 23 and 17. That was the co-founding team. The idea came because we failed in our first startup, tilebazaar.com. We were trying to create a Flipkart. To create a Flipkart, you need of tiles, you need to have an e-card for it, which we didn't, and hence Tatkal Lorry was born to be a logistic delivery services in the tiles and sanitary market at any quantity, at any place across the country. It started in 2016, and the major people who are associated with us are tempo drivers, truck drivers, dealers, retailer, wholesalers of tiles and sanitary and real estate.
You started in 2016. This is
We did.
2020. What are the interesting numbers about the Tatkal Lorry?
So we have grown 100%. Our first year was 95 lakhs, then we did 2.4 crores, then we did 5.4 crores, then we did 7.2 crores. So we've been growing 100% every year. In terms of cities, we add 2 cities every year. So yeah, we've done a 15 crore plus turnover with a small investment of 1 CR. And we are in 13 cities as of right now with a team of 20 odd people and 250 plus associates and 2,500 customers plus across the country.
Wow. The theme of this entire discussion is roller coaster rides, ups and downs. Which was the happiest moment for you in this entire journey of building Tatkal Lorry?
The happiest moment was receiving National Entrepreneurship Award 2019, which was exactly a year back. And it was amazing experience that the government is actually has handpicked you to receive this award. And it was an immense validation that you get. Okay, all right, you did something, you made an impact, you made the dent you were always wanting to.
That was pretty amazing, too, winning a national award actually.
Yeah.
And another thing, which was the most difficult moment, and how did you come out from it?
I think the most difficult moment was just a month back. September, October was pretty tough for Tatkal Lorry, primarily being because Tatkal Lorry is an intellectual idea and yet is very operationally heavy. So our own two ex-employees and present employees tried sabotaging our entire company. They tried, they did data theft, and at the same time, one of our partners wanted to leave. So all of this, there was literally FIRs being filed. At the same time, there was a
Wow.
partner wanting to leave, and then we had to raise funds immediately because he wanted an out. And yeah, so that was pretty crazy because for a second it was like whatever we have built was just taken away from us in a few seconds or a minute. So that was pretty tough. However, we got out of it. Things are pretty much
That is
back.
good.
Yeah. So we fought a lot. Obviously, there were proper legal. I think I've interacted with my legal team more in the past 1.5 months than I've ever done in 4.5 years.
So in a
So
way, your legal background, legal education came into play.
it did. Oh my God. I had 3 lawyers on my team. There were contracts, there was NDAs, there were FIRs, there were so many things going on. Then there was share transfer and so many things. So yeah, I think it helped, and it has made us much stronger. And as an
We'll have a,
organization.
run fast.
Yeah, yeah.
So another thing, what is the unique insight you got after building a business for 5 years?
So the unique insight, my favorite insight is build a product for your customers, not for yourself. Right?
Okay.
You want to give service.
And going forward, what is the again the unique thesis you have about the domain that you are into it? What makes you so bullish about the way you could pull it off now?
You have to learn to say no. It is very important that you say no to wrong systems, wrong people, wrong hire, or even if you're doubtful about certain decision and you're the youngest on the board like I am, say no. That this does not work. These are not the numbers. Say no. अगर आप मत बढ़िए.
And about the logistics industry, that what you are playing.
Yeah. So you, being a girl, I have to be really strong and I have to stop things. So it becomes, I'm not saying patriarchy hai, but problems hai. People are not ready to listen to you. Men don't listen to you. So you have to be really strong and say, ki boss, ye nahi hoga. It is not your company. This is mine. I write the rules. You don't. We make the rules together, but I will say, वैसा ही होगा. So you have to be very bullish about the way you move ahead.
Okay. The last part, which is your favorite book?
Books. I'm more of a podcast person.
Which
I forgot the name. Just a second. You only recommended it to me, yaar. In which of Canva and all.
How I Build This.
How I build this. Yes. I'm
Okay.
sorry. I
Well,
forgot. Yes.
if you were not running Tatkal, or what else you would have been doing?
I think I would have been a corporate lawyer.
And which activity of your business life you enjoy the most?
I love growth and strategizing.
And if you were to describe your 5-6 years of entrepreneurial journey in one word, what would that be?
I think, resilience.
Okay, awesome. And thank you so much, Nikita. And last part, why should people join Echai?
Okay, so people should join Echai because it's one of the few places where you can go, meet people, and rant your heart out and still feel the warmth and not feel rejected. It's just like it's like a really small and close team, and they treat you like a team. So you never feel alone, even in this toughest journey of entrepreneurship.
Awesome. I'll use this clip for the promotion of Echai. Thank you so much, Nikita. And we
Thank
wish you all
you.
the best.
Thank you so much, Jatin. Lovely for being here.